Hello everyone, my name is Riktha Kiran. I'm from EC department and my idea is about the smart cradle system. Here introduction is welcome to the world of smart cradle system. In this presentation, we will unveil the ingenious features of our revolutionary cradle. Get ready to witness the creative solutions with the cradle of your child care. So here, enhanced safety. Safety is a top priority of our smart cradle system, incorporates advanced sensors and intelligent algorithms to enhance the utmost safety for your little ones. And you can say goodbye to the worries and embrace a worry-free parenting experience. Interactive features. Here in this, it engages and stimulates your baby's senses. With our interactive features, the smart cradle system includes a built-in multicolored LED light display and gentle lovely player. Watch your baby's eyesight up with the joy. In smart monitoring, you can stay connected and monitor your baby's well-being in a real time with your with our smart monitoring capabilities. Receives instant notifications on your smartphones regarding temperature, humidity, baby's movement, then peace of mind at your fingertips. Then customizable comfort. Every baby is unique and so are their comfort needs. Our smart cradle system allows to customize the cradle systems, including rocking speed, music selections, and ambient lighting, creates a perfect environment to your little ones. Conclusion here is with a smart cradle system, you can reimagine the future of the child care, embrace the power of technology and providing your baby with a safe, interactive, and comfortable environment. Join us with the guiding the future of parenting. Thank you.